welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. If you are new, I do hope you would consider hitting that subscribe button and becoming a part of our YouTube family. And as always, please leave a comment down below telling me what you think of the video and the products I show you, as well as a thumbs up, because that really does help me out. So today we have a new subscription, and I am really excited about this one, you guys. As you can see from the description below, it is the Snail Mail Sticker Club. It is not a beauty box. It's not a lifestyle. It's literally stickers. And I don't know why, but I'm like all giddy and excited to open this because I get so much stationery stuff with different subscriptions that now maybe having some stickers to add to that, or just stickers in general, because who doesn't love stickers? Like, I don't care how old you are. Who doesn't love stickers? They're so fun. So let's get in here. I will make sure to put a link down below if you would like to sign up for the Snail Mail Sticker Club. I believe, and I will double check and make sure the pricing down below is correct, but I want to say it's about $11.25. This was very kindly sent to me for review, so thank you so much to Snail Mail Sticker Club. I do appreciate it, but let's get in here and see what stickers we got. This is the May 2019 Snail Mail Sticker Club. I'm like so excited. There's lots of papers, and then it's like we have a baggie of stickers in here. All right, so I'm gonna set that down for a moment. And let's see. So here we have, oh, this is just, that is a beautiful card, first of all, like so gorgeous. And it says, "Thank you, Nicki. Many blessings, Alexis." So she is the one that very kindly sent this to me for review. And this looks like, I guess, like their business card. Snail Mail Sticker Club, or hashtag Snail Mail Sticker Club. I am up for the challenge. There's 2 of those in here. And it says, "Happy Day. Happy Sticker Mail. Did you know this is our very first mailing? We are so honored and grateful that you've trusted us to send you joy this month. This month's affirmation is, I am up for the challenge. You may not know how yet, but you've got this. You're up for the challenge. You can do hard things. Share the second card with someone who needs the reminder." So that's what the cards are. That is awesome. Here are our favorite stickers this month. What are yours? If you use the tag hashtag Snail Mail Sticker Club when you share, you could win bonus stickers in your June pack. Llamas are making an appearance next. Ooh, that sounds so much fun. Or like so much fun. So that's what this card here says. And then, oh, this is cute. Okay, so this says, "Yeah, you're awesome." And it's like a little postcard, and it's got the little snail. Could put all kinds of stickers on here. Send some love, hashtag Snail Mail Sticker Club. Awesome. I did drop something, so let me see. All right, so this says, "Thanks for your review." So that is awesome. Okay, so they're on Instagram and Facebook at Snail Mail Stickers, as well as Pinterest at Snail Mail Sticks. And let's see. Okay, so actually here's pricing. Fantastic. So it's $12.95 a month. You do get a discount if purchasing 3 or 12 months. You get a bright fun envelope full of 10 or more sticker sheets of all types, big frameable postcard, 2 affirmation cards, 1 for you and a friend. There is free Canadian and US shipping. It is $6 international otherwise. And it says, "Subscribe by end of the month. Ships on the first Monday." And They have ever so kindly given me a coupon code to share with you guys, so thank you so much for doing that, and it is Nicki20. I will put that down below, and that will get you 20% off your first month. This is fantastic. All right, so let's get into our stickers. How cute. Oh my goodness. All right, so yay. I cannot wait to open these. Let's see. All right, so we are gonna just dive in. All right, so the first one I'm pulling out are, oh my gosh, these are like scratch and sniff. Okay, they're little jelly beans. Like I want to scratch them, but then, all right, I'm gonna scratch one. I'm gonna scratch this little like teal guy over here. Oh, that smells good. So I have like some little jelly bean smiley face stickers. Those are so cute. And then, oh, these are so adorable. Some of them, or all of them have like some little glitter, some little bees. Aren't those so cute? And then we got some green stars. Those are so pretty. These remind me of when you were in school and like you did really well on like a paper and the teacher put a star on your grade. Let's see. Oh, these are cute. Okay, so this is like all kinds of buttons. That's super cute. So this is a subscription that would really come in handy, you know, if you're really into scrapbooking or things like that. That is so cute. Ooh, these, okay, so these are a little holographic, all different kinds of fish. I see like a Dory fish and Nemo fish. Those are so cute. Oh, these are gorgeous. These are almost like embossed or like raised up a little bit. These are like, let's see, can you see? Like birds and hearts and then little gemstones. Those are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh, and then we have all kinds of sparkly hot air balloons. That is so beautiful. Oh, I can already see having so much fun with this. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. It's like little balloon animal stickers that are all sparkly. I've never seen a balloon animal alligator. Next time I'm somewhere where they make balloon animals, I'm gonna ask for an alligator. That is so cute. And then here we have some more animals, and they have glitter, just different types. These are so cute. You guys. Oh, these are precious. Oh, and there's an owl. I love owls. These are almost like woodland creatures. We have owls and looks like chipmunks and mice and squirrels, raccoons, baby deer, baby fox, bunnies, hedgehogs. Oh, this is so cute. And then like acorns. That is so adorable. And then it looks like we have one more left here. Ooh, and this is so pretty. These are kind of like 3D. We have like a cacti, like a little rake and shovel, and then gem type stickers. Are those not gorgeous? And then you can kind of see there, like I was saying, the 3D. Those are so beautiful. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's count them up and see exactly how many sheets we got. It said you're supposed to get 10 or more. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11, and I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now, this is my favorite. The sparkly balloon animal stickers are by far my favorite. I think they are so cute, and I cannot wait to find a way to use these and put them all over cards, and just, I'm so excited. I think they are so adorable. So again, thank you to Snail Mail Sticker Club for sending this to me to review and share with you guys. I find it very hard to believe that anyone would receive this in the mail without having a huge smile on their face when they open it. This subscription is adorable and so much fun, and the possibilities are endless with making cute little notes and just fun stuff. So like I said, I will put a link down below for you, as well as that coupon code that they did give us, Nicki20, to get you 20% off. Again, they do have the free shipping. It's $12.95 a month. You can get a discount if you go ahead and prepay for 3 or 12 months. So yay. All right, you guys, I'm like just grinning from ear to ear. I'm so like just in such a good mood now that I've opened these fun stickers. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one.